Alright, hello everyone, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. We are here today in a global Freightways Cessna Citation Longitude here at beautiful Billings Logan International Airport. Time is currently 5:54. What? 5:46 p.m. Today we are flying to Red Lodge. Again, just put a flight test. Good old classical flight test. So up here we got all the lights, it appears. Panel floodlight. I'm just gonna turn this up to where I want it. Just right out the gate. Floodlight, I don't really care about floodlight. Logo lights, we wanna keep those on. Those would realistically just stay on. Alright, cockpit cabin inspection. Parking brake set. Where is the parking brake in this plane? Oh, right here. Parking brake is on. Battery switches. I'll find these. I'm big boy. It's not up here. Yeah, that's all just lighting. Oh, we have a HUD. It's like 787. We're gonna toggle this visibility quick. Brightness, floodlights, electrical, external power, on. Oh, batteries. Whatever, generator switches need to be on. Oh, wait. Do we have auto on here? Whatever, I'll just keep it off. Engine generator on. On. APU knob, stud. APU knob. APU knob. What's the APU knob? Fuel crossfeed, fuel valve. Auto ground spoilers. Okay, hang on, I'm gonna... EPU knob? EPU knob. I'm gonna turn on all of this de-icing. Gonna be a knob somewhere. Probably down here. Trim. APU knob. Stud. Now the real question is gonna be, where do I find my APU or PM? APU, 46%. Found it. No. Stop. Bad. Okay. APU bleed normal. Good enough for me. Come on. PU generator. We probably want to turn this on if I had to guess. My gosh! Landing light, landing light, landing light. Taxi lights, nav lights. Light pulse on. I don't know how to turn off my inert SEP thing. So we're gonna just leave it on. Oh geez, this thing has some acceleration. Alright, this plane does have auto throttle. Don't go in the grass. And let's see, altitude. You're going to climb up to 10,000 feet, just right after takeoff. And also for this series, once we get up to the bigger planes, like the 787, 747, A320, those things, these flops are fast. We're not gonna do billings to Red Lodge like we have for all these planes. We're just gonna like do some other random route. That's random. I don't know. I haven't decided what I want to do for them yet. Are they taxiing behind me? Oh, hey, they are behind me. What do you know? One thing I like, or at least I think happens with this game and the traffic, is that like the AI traffic. I don't actually know if this guy's traffic or if he's a real person. Oh, 29076. That's what he said. I don't know if I finished what I was saying, so I'm gonna say it again if I did already say it. The AI traffic will like hold for you and stuff. And so they like with the AI traffic that's based off of the like the real planes. I don't actually know where they get the data for the like traffic that's based off of the planes, real life planes and flights, whether it's flight radar 24, flight away, or something else. But oh, look at the sun, it's going setting. They'll like sit and wait for you so you can get out of the way and stuff, and then they see. Hang on, I am going to pause the game. There we go. Oh, they want us to go to 8,000. I don't know if I want to trust this plane's autopilot yet. Go with it. Auto throttle, auto throttle, auto throttle. Toga, auto throttle, on, auto throttle, on. There we go. I'm assuming this is just gonna do the same thing the CJ4 did. It's really annoying. But I mean, if it gets it to work for the rest of the flight, then whatever. I am just letting it do this weird little circle thing. What even is this? What the? I know what it's trying to do. Whatever, I'll let it. At least I think I know what it's trying to do. I think if you look over here, I think it's trying to go through cable to line up. Do we have like half bank mode or something on? No, okay. Just doesn't feel like it's turning as much as it should be. Alright, autopilot, you can have your life back. Your job. Okay, looks like we're hand flying to this plane today. We're gonna switch to heading. Let's see, we need 212. But yeah, these are definitely some hardcore IFO flight conditions right now. Based off the fact that, you know, we're in a cloud. Oh, I never used the landing lights for takeoff. Whoops. What is that light on the side, actually? Oh, is that this? Oh, yeah. You have the global Freightways? Freightways. Okay. Three. There we go. There we got our flaps full. Then you go down. Global Freightways is bringing some freight to Law. Not Law, sorry. Red Lodge. Alright, as far as rating this plane goes, I really like this cockpit. I don't know what just happened with the snow outside. This cockpit feels very nice. It's got nice big windows. Nice instruments. I love the instruments in this plane. It's got a yoke. I mean, that's points. Better than an Airbus. Because Airbus is only like, well, fighter jet, oh wait, JK, we're an E380. Sorry. You like this? Autopilot's all good. We got the GPAWS callouts. It's really nice size. It's fuzz. It's very versatile. If we're gonna look at it as a actual plane, it's very versatile as far as what it can do. We're coming in here a little bit low, actually. Gonna increase power, pull back, that's for sure. Alright, here we go. And 30, 20, 10. Holy sink rate. That was not the smoothest of touchdowns. Out of 27. Scalpel versus us, that's points. As far as turning radius goes, let's see here. And actually, hang on. Just because I can. Like stupid stuff. Okay, this works better in the A787. What I just did. That is also probably mainly because... Oh, grass. Whoops. Oh well, that's fine. That light isn't fine. I say 26 out of 27. I don't want to give it a perfect score. It is a really good plane. It's just a 25. 25 or 24 out of 27. Just because it is still a little short for my preference. Would prefer it be a little bit longer for the width. Other than that, pretty good. So I'm gonna go with the 24 out of 27. That's what I'm gonna go with. 24 out of 27. Yeah, anyways. Until next time. I and Global Airways, not Airways, along with Global Freightways, will see you later.